In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TX850 Deep Gold Detector. The professional underground metal detector TX850L is a high-sensitivity device designed for deep searches for small gold nuggets and various treasures, suitable for use in backyards, coastlines, mountains, and beyond. The upgrade version TX850L features a backlight mode function and an improved rod for enhanced performance. While its search coil is waterproof, the control enclosure is not. The detector caters to activities such as gold detection, desert exploration, security checks, archaeology, and beach scanning, offering features like precise positioning, metal identification through different tones, LCD display showing metal types and target depth, ground balance adjustment, and target ID classification. The TX850L comes with specifications including a 11-inch DD waterproof search coil, 19 kHz frequency, 15-hour battery life, and various operational conditions. The device is optimized for gold mining exploration and relic searching, though its sensitivity to conductive coins may vary. Warranty coverage includes a free 6-month limited warranty, and returns are accepted for items not as described or defective products. Importantly, user feedback and communication for issue resolution are encouraged, highlighting customer satisfaction as a priority. Number 2. FS2 Underground Metal Detector. The Metal Detector FS2 by Tricor Power is a versatile and efficient tool designed for locating metal objects such as jewelry, coins, and other treasures buried underground. It features an 11-inch DD elliptical waterproof search coil for extended range and deeper detection capabilities, making it ideal for various environments like backyards, shorelines, mountains, and fields. The detector offers multiple functions including gold prospecting capabilities, discrimination mode for filtering out unwanted targets, pinpointing mode for precise location identification, and ground balancing to eliminate false signals. With adjustable height, dual headphone jacks, adjustable volume control, and LCD display with audio cues, this detector provides a user-friendly experience for treasure hunting enthusiasts. The FS2 model is manufactured in mainland China by Tricor Power and comes with CE certification, emphasizing its quality and reliability for electrical DIY projects. Powered by a 9V battery, this metal detector is a valuable tool for enthusiasts looking for an immersive and efficient treasure hunting experience. Number 3. CS 3D Underground Metal Detector. The CS 3D Underground Metal Detector is a cutting-edge device known for its large detection depth of up to 5 meters, precise positioning, high resolution, and energy-efficient design. This detector is primarily used for locating metal relics, underground gold and silver treasures, and finds applications in various fields such as archaeology, military mine clearance, mining operations, law enforcement investigations, customs inspections, and airport security. Featuring high sensitivity, enhanced recognition capabilities, metal identification, and precise detection abilities, the CS3D eliminates clutters like scrap and mineralization interference. It operates on a 1 kW power supply, with a driving frequency of 65 kHz and a working temperature range of -10 to 45. The package includes the underground metal detector, user manual, and charger. The device's advanced detection technology, versatile nature, ease of use, durability, and comprehensive warranty make it a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Analog Pointer Metal Detector. The metal detector is an analog pointer metal detector equipped with a 4.3-inch backlight screen, designed for detecting various metals like gold, coins, and treasures with ease. It features 3 modes of operation: all metal mode for detecting different metal types, discrimination mode for rejecting unwanted metals, and pinpoint mode for accurate target location. The device includes an analog pointer on the LCD screen with adjustable brightness levels for enhanced visibility in dim environments. Its telescopic stem is adjustable, 27.5 to 49 inches, with a unique buckle design for convenient handling. The waterproof search coil allows for underwater use up to 8 inches deep, making it suitable for outdoor activities. The product requires two X9V batteries, not included, for operation. The package includes the metal detector and a headset. Additionally, the company provides good products at competitive prices, supporting wholesale and dropshipping orders. They offer efficient after-sales services to ensure customer satisfaction. Number 5. GDS F1 Metal Detector. The GDS F1 Professional Metal Detector is an ideal choice for beginners due to its user-friendly design and affordable price. It is a versatile model suitable for detecting gold bullion and cultural relics in all kinds of environments. With features like the ability to exclude junk metal, a 5-inch by 10-inch DD search coil for a search depth of up to 8 inch, and electronic precise positioning, this metal detector offers accurate and efficient detection. The humanized design includes a comfortable padded armrest and adjustable features, accommodating users of various sizes and heights. With a long battery life of 25 to 30 hours using for AA batteries, different search modes, ground balance presets, and a built-in wireless module, this metal detector provides a comprehensive detecting experience. The package includes headphones, a headphone storage bag, and a manual. The technical specifications include multiple search modes, depth indication, a working frequency of 19 kHz, a length of 106 cm to 125 cm, a weight of 3 kg, and various other features detailed in the specifications. The product is sourced from mainland China, certified with CE, and powered by rechargeable batteries.